May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, I'm not allowed to move to bail application. Yes, today's unlisted item.
Huh?
To bail application. Yes, unlisted item.
Unlisted. What's the urgency?
Yes, my lord.
What is the urgency?
My lord,
438. Is it 438 application?
yes. Your Honor, 439, regular bill.
And tomorrow. 439, regular bail.
Yes, my lord.
Tomorrow it will come on its own.
Only CD has to be called in this case.
Hmm?
Only CD has to be
That's
called.
what I'm saying, tomorrow, not today.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 12. I am on the behalf of the petitioner, Counsel Sri Arts Owner. My lord, this matter was supposed to be fixed on 14th of this month, that is tomorrow, but by the mistake, it was listed today.
You are put applicant.
Yes, petitioner.
When do you want?
Yes,
When do you want?
yeah, tomorrow.
Okay. On the prayer basis, so and so, learned counsel for the applicant. List this matter on 14,
Yes,
14/11/2024.
okay, must please.
Yeah, madam.
Yes.
Madam, I beg to mention item number 22 and 23.
22,
22 and 23, madam.
22 and 23. Yes,
Madam, I am for the petitioners.
yes.
There is a scope of settlement between the parties, madam.
Okay.
Therefore, my lord, 4 weeks time may be given.
4 weeks.
Yes, madam.
MS so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, madam.
Petitioner.
Yes, madam.
Item 22 and
23.
Okay. Submits that there is a scope of settlement of the dispute.
Yes.
Is it a land dispute?
Yes, madam.
Settlement of the dispute by the parties for which he prays for 4 weeks time. This they are allowed list after 4 weeks.
Much good.
Yes, yeah, also.
This is AB, anticipatory bill. In fact, this one applicant is working as an LDC in the office of DDC Anjo.
LDC.
Yes, there was a case.
Where is
There
the FIR? Let us see the FIR.
Yes, in fact, FIR. He could not get the FIR. Only he has apprehension on the basis of that WT message. In fact, he has appeared twice in the before the SIC, but then he has been
How do we know the allegation?
because he has been repeatedly asked to come in the SIC. And in twice he has appeared. I will just show you his appearance, but then he has got resent to WT message. Is page.
Sir, show me something about the allegations. From where we get it?
In fact, there is no such allegations, but then he had only apprehension that
If there is no allegation, why you have to apprehend?
because he has been. I will just take to the page 16.
Is he an accused?
He is not accused. In fact,
He is an
he
accused.
is not accused.
Obviously, there will be an allegation.
But the main accused.
Just show me the allegation where it is.
In fact, main accused has been only arrested. I will
Forget it.
I will just get to that one.
Ah.
Page 19.
19.
19.
Yes.
There is a case. The SIC case, may I read?
Yes.
SIC case number such and such 04/2023 under section 120B, such and such read with pertaining to illegal appointment of a primary teachers of MTS in Anjao district. So in this regard, may I just take to the next paragraph. The above case registered in SIC such as after it was found during the search in connection with the case pertaining to illegal appointment in Longdon district and similar offense of illegal appointment teachers MTS were found to be committed in Anjao district. In fact, the applicant is working in Anjao district under the DDC. Under the DDC office. After detailed interrogation, meticulous search and technical analysis, SIC PS has arrested one person in case who is a retired government official the details of the arrested person, such and such, the DSC Anjo led such and such. The SIC investigation into illegal appointments ongoing and all facets of the cases are being investigated. In fact, the present applicant was working under him. The present, this one accused who has been arrested. So that's how he has apprehending that he may be arrested in this case. Because after this matters,
The applicant work under
he was working under him. That is the DSC who retired.
so obviously you will also be involved.
So may I just take to the page 16. 16 is the WT message.
Yes.
Yes, this was WT message one. May I just read?
Hmm.
Alleged illegal reference to such and such case number. Alleged illegal appointment of PRT and DDC Anjao. Kindly direct Sri Rudra Bahadur Thapa, the applicant.
Did you appear?
Yes,
Did you appear?
he appeared earlier twice,
Same case.
same case, but then repeatedly he has been again asked.
Hmm.
Kindly direct Sri Rudra Bahadur Thapa, accountant such as Anjao district, to appear it on 29/10/2023 as
Okay.
such and such. This is Vice Chair.
That is special PP. What do you say?
Yes, my lord, since there is no FIR, my lord, I am not aware of the allegations which have been leveled against him, my lord. But it seems, my lord, it pertains to the illegal appointment, my lord. There are 4 districts now. Recently, my lord, we filed 4 FIRs, my lord, regarding 4 districts where illegal appointment of teachers have been made. So I think it pertains to that particular case, my lord. The district, and then my lord is well aware that it is a serious matter, my lord. Illegal appointments and it's a
PCA.
PCA, yes, my lord. My humbly pray, my lord, at least the CD may be called for, my lord, that is, so that I can make a
I will pray for him too, because he is
PCA.
PCA, my lord.
You are a what you are working?
as a LDC,
LDC.
because he has no any
No, my lord,
authority for the
he is-
appointment.
You are the real support. staff.
He is a LDC
That
plus
is
in charge accountant,
Yes.
that's why.
That is a fair investigation.
And my lord, he was not
Next week.
responsible.
Next week.
No, in
No,
fact,
no interim.
I will.
PCA, no interim.
No, in fact, he has appeared to us. I will just take to that.
You have appeared and you have not been arrested as on date. You will not be arrested.
But at least interim.
We'll see next week. Since you are, there is no FIR also. We'll call
Obliged,
for the
ma'am.
same.
That may be fixed.
Huh?
That may be fixed. Actually.
Heard Mr. Esmo, that it comes to the applicant accused. Mr. Also heard Mr. O. Father Leonard. Special PP.
My lord.
SIC. This is an application under section 438 of the CRPC, 1973. Praying for enlargement of the accused on bail in connection with SIC within bracket capital BIG bracket close PSC / number 04 of 2023 under section 120 within bracket B / 420 468 471 409 of IPC read with section 13 within bracket 2 of the DC Act 1988. Call for the CD. CD or scan copy of the CD.
CD will do. my
Call
lord.
for the CD. List this matter. List the matter on.
Okay. Maybe on
21.
Next week.
Next week.
next week.
21.
21. Obliged, my lord.
21, 11, 20, 20. Sir, I have a difficulty in taking up this matter. List before any other bench. List this matter before any other appropriate bench without me. Within bracket K. I've gone through the file yesterday. Well, dealing with this, there's something which I cannot take up. Long earlier. So it looks, I mean, it's not appropriate to take up this matter. Though I was not involved in the matter, but somewhere it was as a, when I was this side.
I understood.
Remember, have you come across? You could have pointed it out. Yes.
My lord, I have received paper book
Yes.
recently. Today I am not ready for the argument.
Huh?
Today I am not ready for the argument. Matter maybe.
Why you are not ready? You should always be ready.
I have just
302.
sorry.
302.
Yes, 302, but convict under section 304 part 1.
Okay. So what is the sentence?
The sentence is 10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
10
And-
years. 10 years and below is before the single bench.
Yes, yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
10 years and below.
10 years and below. Yes.
So what do you want?
Matter maybe fix after.
You
yes.
are
I am legal aid counsel for
Legal
the
aid counsel.
applicant. Yes.
Okay,
This is jail appeal.
jail appeal.
Yes.
Okay. MS J. Doji, learned legal aid counsel, appearing for the appellant. Press for and granted 4 weeks time.
Yes, madam.
4 weeks time. List this matter after 4 weeks. For hearing.
Yes, for hearing.
For hearing.
Highly obvious.
Where you?
NGPS.
Yes, your lordship.
Where is the PP? Is there a special PP or no?
It's PP, your lordship. Your lordship, CD was called last 1 month, 1 month and 3 days. It's been 1 month and 3 days. But then yet, I think.
What is the section?
Section is 21C of NDPS, your lordship.
37?
No, 21C.
So 37 is not.
Yes, 37. I have to convey
37 is not applicable. Is it applicable?
37, basing on 37, I have to convince your lordship.
Okay, so this will apply to section 37.
Yes,
So on the
Yes.
basis you will argue the matter.
your lordship, I have enough documents. In fact, even if CD is not called for, I have annexed enough document. Your lordship, if your lordship may allow.
Where is the PP?
PP was.
Let us take after some time. Hold on.
Okay, oblige.
After some time. Hold, item 4 to
4 to 9.
4 to 9.
Yes.
After some time.
I don't know that.
Who is appearing in this matter? Item 10.
Lordship, item 10, but Lordship, this all the matters being endorsed by, they are taking care of Lordship. So I have not gone through this bail matters, Lordship. So,
Item 10.
Lordship, all the bail matters, Lordship.
What is the offense? Let us see. Do you have the brief? Who is appearing for the petitioner? NDPS. It's not your matter.
My name is reflected in cause list. I think my subordinate may be filed this case, Your Honor. I have no idea.
NDPS otherwise also.
Yes.
MS non appears when the matter is called out. Please have MS H L Hage learned additional PP appears for this state. Appears learned additional PP for the state submits that she has received the brief this morning on being endorsed by the learned PP. Therefore, she requests some time for which she prays for.
Otherwise, Lordship, all the this bail matters to be listed tomorrow, Lordship. Again.
If somebody is not appear, why you should give premiere to them? So prayer is allowed. List this matter after 4 weeks. No, no, that will be two,
So tomorrow,
Too long,
Lordship,
too long.
tomorrow, Lordship.
after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Thanks.
Then also. 11. Arises out of same FIR.
Yes,
Let us see.
Lordship. BA 10 or 109 or 1010.
Same, same. Same order, huh? What is to be done?
Your Lordship, item number 13, the learned counsel is not able to come. He is from Guwahati.
What happened?
Due to personal difficulties, he can't be present in this honorable court.
This code has come from Guwahati.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So if the learned council, that's why I'm asking, what is the problem? Is there blockade or something like that?
I was not brief about that.
You don't have the brief.
Yes, Lordship.
My lord, let this adjournment be the last because they have been repeatedly taking the adjournment.
What is the last order? Let's see.
Yes, Lordship.
Your name, please. Your name,
Toreb
your name?
Dai.
Time.
Toreb Dai.
Thai.
Dai.
Say.
DAI.
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 Mr. O Dai. T Dai.
T Dai.
T Dai. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. S.
RK Batra.
R.K. Batra. Submits that Mr. R.K. Batra, the leading counsel in this matter, the leading counsel who is leading counsel has some personal difficulty for which he prays for 6 weeks. List this matter after 6 weeks. Mr. So-and-so, present, huh? Mark is present. Prayer is allowed, list after 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
It's okay. Are you for
Yes,
Clement.
respondent, yes,
you are for Clement?
yes, Clement,
Huh?
yes.
List after 4 weeks.
Okay,
Much obliged.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is the second regular appeal. Today is for framing of substantial question of law, Your Lordship.
Have you submitted the substantial question of
Yes, yes.
where it is?
It is in the page number 19 onwards, 3 substantial question of law. Of my appeal memorial.
Notice, has the notice been come?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are appearing for all the respondents.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Just read it.
yes, Your Lordship. Number 1 point is for the substantial question whether the appellant had shown sufficient cause in explaining that the title suit was not barred by the law of limitation and the suit was filed within the limitation period in the title suit appeal number 68 oblique 2015, challenging the judgment and decree dated 18/04/2017, passed by the learned civil judge, senior division, West Siang district, Alo, in title suit number 20 oblique 11. And the second point is, your lordship, for the substantial question of law is whether the learned court was right in deciding that applicant is not entitled to recover the position of land measuring 2,155 square meters from the possession of the defendant as the stop from removing or recovering the suit land under the principle of law governing estoppels, acquisitions, and waivers. Number 3 is that substantial question of law is whether the learned court was right that the appellant is not entitled to compensation from the defendants for the horticultural land, as the land was donated free of cost and the applicant was deliberately sleeping over for his right. Your lordship, herein, if the substantial question of prem in number 1 is solved, your lordship, then both the second and the third will be ultimately solved, your lordship. Herein, what happened, your lordship, was that the title suit was filed. I had an ancestral land measuring around 3,150 square meter at the heart of Tribin town under West Siang district. Your lordship, in the year 1977, that land was conditionally donated to the respondents on the request of the government officials, the political interpreters of those days, your lordship. 1977, there is a conditional agreement that is annexed in page number 30, annexure 3. Type of page number 30, your honor, your lordship.
Is it an amended petition?
Yes, this is amended petition. There was some copies were missing. Therefore, and also moreover, one of the substantial question was too lengthy. Therefore, the lordship has asked me to amend the petition. So this is the amendment, and this petition has to be relied on. In short, your lordship, here the regular second appeal, while hearing the title suit, your lordship, the learned trial court has erroneously passed this decision because, your lordship, they had counted the law of limitation course of action from 1977, your lordship. Actually, they should have counted it from 2015. Your lordship, this agreement has two conditions. Number 1 is that
what is the nature of the land?
Nature of land, now it was a horticulture garden, your lordship. Now it is occupied by the respondent number 5, that is APWD, and the PWD office is being established there.
So they're saying it's a government land.
Actually, your lordship, while deciding the title suit, this land was not acquired under the Land Acquisition Act. There was defective. It was not decided at all. The title suit was filed. I claim that that land belongs to me. But then, while hearing the title suit, your lordship, they have not gone into the merits. They straightway pass a order that it is barred by the law of limitation. Whereas the respondent themselves has filed an affidavit, deposition, saying that in the year 2015, while fulfilling the agreement entered in the year 1977, they had issued me a work order in the year 2015, and they had filed a deposition at while hearing the title suit. Meaning, thereby, your lordship, that conditional agreement was surviving, and that course of action should have been counted from 2015, your lordship, not from 1977. They have straightway said that since I am coming after 40 years, there has been a lapse of 40 years. Therefore, I am not entitled to contest this case, and they have straightway dismisses that too ex parte, your lordship. May I take your lordship to that deposition filed by the respondent? That is in page number 68, your lordship.
Just wait. We'll list this after a week for admission hearing. Right.
Your Lordship.
Any objection to this substantial question of law?
These are the questions that has already been determined by the trial court and the first appellate court, Your Lordship.
So that cannot be a substantial question of law?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Once the
Yes.
trial court determines it,
No,
in the law, that would be a substantial question. of
Yes.
law. Whether this is this way, that way.
yes, Your Lordship.
You prepare and come after 1 week.
Okay.
Your
And assist
Lordship,
the
a
court.
fixed date may be given. I have to prepare, since this is my first RSA petition, case, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
I have to come prepared. Fixed date may
For
be.
me also, this is my, it's a first.
Your Lordship.
Okay, next week, which date?
Your Lordship, may it be on 21?
No, Your Lordship, can it be on 23rd or 22nd, 23rd, Your Lordship?
No issue.
23rd.
Yes.
Heard Mr.
R.
Rakshar, Learned Counsel to the appellant, and also Mr. Wairida, Learned Government Counsel to the respondents. List this matter for admission on 23.
23rd, yes.
2020. 23.
Oblige.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
You are for?
I'm for respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
Your claimant?
Respondent number 1.
Yes. Respondent number is a claimant.
Yes.
Number 1 is a claimant. What about 2? Respondent number 2. You are for? Appellant?
Yeah. Learned Counsel, given letter.
Doesn't matter. You are appearing for appellant.
Yeah.
Who is learned counsel?
Doctor time. Doctor time. Time.
So you want adjournment?
Yeah.
No steps has been taken for respondent number 2. Office note dated 10/11/2023 reflects that no steps have been taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by the appellant. 3 weeks is granted, 3 weeks time is granted for appropriate steps by the learned counsel to the appellant. List after 3 weeks.
May I, Lordship?
I cannot take up this matter.
Lordship,
Place this matter before any other appropriate bench without me. I cannot take up this matter.
oblige, Lordship.
My Lordship, we have already taken step for respondent number 1 and 2.
With Mr. N. Nobeng.
No, I'm
Huh?
the petitioner of BCO.
Who is N Nobeng?
He's outside.
Huh?
No idea.
He's not interested in the case matter. How many respondents?
There are
Two.
two questions.
N Nobeng has spread for filing, spread for a time to file the Wakalatnama on 29/8.
Yeah,
He's there.
no idea.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel to the petitioner. Office notes reflects that Mr. N. Nobeng, learned counsel to, has spread for a time to file the power on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2. Mr. However, assume that there is no power. No power has been filed. However, no power has been filed with the Mr. N. Nobeng assumed that. List this matter after 3 weeks. You are for
All the respondents.
all the respondents.
I'm
What
waiting
should-
for the first time, Lordship.
Where Lordship, senior is, letters when given letter actually. On behalf of T time.
Tea time.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Next week.
What is
Lordship.
supposed to be? What is supposed to be done today?
I have.
Why this have been listed for order, madam?
Probably for the appearance of the respondents. I'm appearing
So
for the
you are
first time
appearing
today,
for the
yes.
first time.
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
T time.
T tag, learned counsel who appears to learned counsel to the petitioner. MS and then learned counsel entered appears on behalf of the all the respondents. List this matter after 2 weeks for admission hearing.
Obliged.
Yes,
Yes.
in this matter, my lord, in the read petition, my lord appear for the respondent, my lord.
Is it?
My lord. Page number 97, my lord.
97.
My lord name will be,
Yes.
oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, no. It, 103, my lord, my 103, my lord.
Okay. What is the matter?
One day, my lord appear for respondent.
So I cannot. Huh? List this matter before any other approval bans without me.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Well, this is the major, praying for watching of the FIR which was lodged on 5/9/2019. In fact, so far the state is concerned, the step has been duly taken to the private respondent number 2. And I hope so far this step has not been, ID card has not been returned. In such situation, my lord, since the address of the respondent number 2 is, my lord, from the, my lord.
Have you seen the office note? There तेजपुर में नहीं रहते, ना ईटानगर में रहते हैं. What to do?
Incident took place at my lord Kanpur. Marriage took place at Kanpur and
No, you have to complete the service. I mean, not
my
take persistent.
my lord, I may be
This
able
is
to tell-
Tezpur or something. It is Tezpur or Tezpur.
No, my lord, this should be Kanpur, my lord.
Maybe this is something else. Just take it. Just read that office note.
So this is wrongly, in fact,
Read.
yes, war number 2, there are.
Mr. Modi, read that, which is in Hindi. Are you comfortable?
I am not perfect in Hindi, any of my lord. प्रताप करती तेजपुर में नहीं रहते,
हाँ.
ईटानगर में रहती है.
Hmm.
Vapas. So, my lord, I may be allowed to tag in the address of her father at Itanagar.
Had Mr. C. Modi, landed counsel to the petitioner, and also had Mr. M.S. L. Hage, landed additional PP for the state. Mr. Modi semi-step. He may be allowed to take precious steps for service of notice from respondent number 2.
Yes.
For which he prays for 1 week. Mr. Prayer is allowed. The prayer is allowed. Mr. C. Modi is permitted to take precious steps for service of notice of respondent number 2 within 2 days. 2 days.
Oh, my lord, within a week.
Within a week.
And in the meantime, I have to, my lord, collect this proper address of the at Itanagar.
Within 2 days. Within 1 week. This matter after 4 weeks.
My lord, 2 weeks.
No, you have to take persist at least then 2 weeks. Then it makes
3 weeks.
Okay. Yes.
This time matter lawsuit, tomorrow lawsuit, today I'm.
Why? What is the issue, madam?
I'm challenging the order of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, bringing charges against me. Tomorrow lawsuit,
Tomorrow.
we have actually,
What is the problem?
Lawsuit today, lawsuit, the file
Your
is.
file has been handed over to you this morning.
Lawsuit.
You had a 2 days time, 3 days time.
This morning only I have got this file.
All everyone of you were busy in Diwali
sports meet. Also.
or still today.
That's why everyone absent lawsuit.
Okay. Tomorrow there will be division bench also. Today is the idle time. Idle appropriate time.
Day after lawsuit then.
This is the last case. I'll be jobless now. Can you not today?
After, then at 2 lawsuit then.
Then day after tomorrow.
All right.
Come quickly. Record is there?
Yes, lawsuit.
Okay. On the period of learned additional PP. List this matter on 15 11 2023 for hearing.
My lordship may hear me, your lordship.
No, we'll have to hear the PP also.
Your lordship, in fact,
Not only you will hear. I will hear what?
in fact, your lordship.
Where is the PP? Are you appearing? Who is appearing?
T. Ginny is appearing.
Huh?
T. Ginny.
Where she is?
He is also absent today. All the PPs are absent today, Lordship.
Your Lordship, in fact,
It's
she
a bail
has,
application.
Lordship.
in
We
fact,
cannot afford to adjourn it like this.
yes. In fact, Your Lordship, she herself has taken this time, Your Lordship. Now it's after filing and for calling of CD, Your Lordship, it's 33 days, Your Lordship. And as far as my petition is,
Tomorrow she will be there. I'll inform her, Lordship.
Who has been entrusted? Of course, it's not the lookout of us.
Lordship.
yes, Your Lordship.
She will be appearing to tomorrow, Lordship. Otherwise, if she is not able to come, then
You'll
we'll
appear.
go to Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship,
Let us-
Your Lordship, at least we have adequate
No,
time. Your
we'll have
Lordship
to-
may hear me.
No, we'll have to see the CD.
Yes,
We'll have to hear both sides.
I have enough documents, Your Lordship.
It's okay, we'll hear definitely.
Yes,
But see, has the council, the other additional PP who has been entrusted.
in that
Is-
case, Your Lordship, observation
Tomorrow.
may be made that it's tomorrow for mandatory because since this is a bail matter,
have-
but they are taking time over time, Your Lordship.
Have some faith on your colleague.
Yes, Your Lordship, but client, I too have to answer my client, Your Lordship. It's been like they have been languishing in jail for last 75 days.
What about the mandatory period?
Maintenance.
Only 75 days.
Yes,
Mandatory is 180.
180, 90 to 180. But then here in this case, Your Lordship, these are medical patients who have medical prescription, Your Lordship. They have been erroneously and they have been with a motive best known to the police officer. They have been arrested.
Have you received any idea? Have you received the CD?
Lordship,
We'll adjourn for tomorrow. We'll take it up tomorrow. And
Yes.
we'll ask her to appraise her colleague to get the CD if it's not available.
Yes,
CD is here, Lordship.
It is there.
Yes.
So then tomorrow.
fix, Your Lordship.
MSL Hage. Then an additional PP. Submits that this series of bail applications have been entrusted to MST Gini Learned Additional PP. Mr. Learned Additional PP. Tijini Learned Additional PP. Has some personal difficulty today, for which she prays for listing the matter on 14/11/2020. Mr. Raksa,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioners, applicants, has fervently opposed the prayer. However, in the interest of justice, list this matter on 14/11/2023 as a fixed matter.
Yes, Your Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Miss MS El Hage, additional PP, is requested to appraise the matter. Appraise the matter to the learned Mr. MS Tijini learned additional PP, for which this court expect that she will invariably appear tomorrow on behalf of this.
Deeply obliged.
May I please?
Yes.
Item number 10 and 11.
Ah.
This matter supposed to pass over the matter.
Huh?
In this case, my lord, this is a bail application.
Yes.
And moreover, Your Honor,
I passed the order already.
the mandatory period is completed, Your Honor.
Huh?
Mandatory period
You
is
file an
completed.
application. File an application. Was it 90 days? 60 days?
60 days.
60 days, file an application. File an application. Is your application is for 167?
No, no, Your
You file an application on that. If it's a mandatory period is over,
Then my lord,
you
matter
file an
may,
application.
then my lord, matter may fix on
When-
tomorrow, because this is a bail
How can
application.
you file a, okay, can you file the
Yes,
application today?
yes.
Item 10 and 11,
11.
when did we fix the matter? Huh? Item 10 and 11? 2 weeks. You didn't appear where you were.
I was attending my other case before the CGM.
So you give the first preference to the learned court of
Yes,
chief
sir.
judicial magistrate, then the high court.
Actually, I have conveyed the learned PP.
Please after
with this-
1 week. Change
And
the
then,
order.
then day after tomorrow, please.
After 2 weeks.
My lord, this is verification, and moreover, already mandatory period is completed.
On Friday then.
Okay.
You file an application
Yes.
for release
Obliged.
invoking 167, is it?
Thank you.